The truth is that most people work for money. But the wealthy make money work for them. Inflation eats your savings. Debt grows faster than your income. And somehow, no one ever taught us how money really works. Every day, we're told to hustle harder. But not how to build smarter. At Romena Lounge, we make sense of money. We break down global finance, taxes, and investments in a language that everyone can understand. Simple lessons. Real results. The kind of clarity that changes lives, one video at a time. Because you don't need millions to think like the rich. You just need the right mindset. And the right guidance. Every week, we reveal how wealth is built, legally, smartly, and sustainably. So you can live free, confident, and in control. Subscribe now. And join thousands rewriting their financial story. Romena Lounge. Understand money. Build wealth. Leave better. Because your financial story deserves a better ending.